Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So you've filed a lawsuit, but how do you officially let the other person know they're being sued? This crucial step is called service of process, or serving papers, and if you do it wrong, your entire case could be dismissed. Let's break down how to do it right. First, and most importantly, you almost never serve the papers yourself. The person serving the documents must be a neutral third party who is at least 18 years old and not a party to the case. Your main options are using the local sheriff or marshal's department, hiring a professional process server, or having a friend or relative do it, as long as they meet the age and neutrality requirements. The most common and preferred method is called personal service. This is exactly what it sounds like. The server physically walks up to the person being sued, known as the defendant, and hands them the court documents. This is the gold standard because it's very difficult for the defendant to later claim they never received the papers. If you can't find the person to serve them directly, you might be able to use substituted service. This usually involves leaving the papers with a competent adult at the defendant's home or workplace and then mailing another copy to that same address. The exact rules for this vary widely by state, so you must check your local court's procedures. Another option in some cases is service by mail. This typically requires sending the documents via certified mail with a return receipt requested. Often, you'll also need to include a form called an acknowledgement of receipt that the defendant must sign and mail back to you. If they don't sign it, this method of service fails. As a last resort, if you've tried everything else and can't find the defendant, you can ask the court for permission to do service by publication. This means you publish a notice in a newspaper for a certain number of weeks. This is expensive and complicated, and you absolutely need a judge's order to do it. After the papers are successfully served, the server must fill out and sign a proof of service or affidavit of service form. This legal document details who was served, when, where, and how. This form is then filed with the court to prove that service was completed correctly. Remember, this is a general overview and not legal advice. The rules for serving papers can be very specific and change depending on your state, county, and even the type of court you're in. Always check the rules for your specific court before you do anything. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand the process a little better, please hit the like button, and for more legal guides explained simply, make sure you subscribe to the channel.